Hey guys, it's pie day, but unfortunately I'm not having a pie, but I still felt the need for a little bit of a sweet tooth thing. So I went to Natural Grocers. King Arthur is a company I'm well familiar with from New Hampshire and Vermont. They have a wonderful store. I love that right on the box it says 100% employee owned. And I do notice I have a little bit of a gluten sensitivity, so I decided to give their gluten-free chocolate cake mix a try. And as you can see from my pan, I'm going to do cupcakes because those are easy to transport. If I'm going to head out for the day, I can throw it in my little lunch box or whatever. So this is what comes out of the box. I did see another box at Natural Grocers that had fewer ingredients than this one, although most of the things on this box I do recognize. Cane sugar, rice flour, cocoa, tapioca starch, emulsifier, which they're saying is rice starch, baking powder, salt, and xanthan gum. I'm not sure why they need the xanthan gum, to be honest, and next time I may try the other brand that I saw on the shelf. The other thing with these mixes is I do need vegetable oil, which I'm not sure if I'll use the olive oil because it might change the flavor, or if I'll go with my plant-based butter, which is by Mykonos here. And I also used the plant-based Mykonos to grease my cup, so hopefully my little cupcakes won't stick too badly. And instead of eggs, and for a lot of people you might want to check this out too with the price of eggs, but also I've tried to eliminate eggs out of my diet for the most part. I have this organic unsweetened vanilla, which vanilla should be fine with chocolate yogurt. So I went online and Pioneer Woman says you can take a quarter cup of yogurt will equal 1 egg. So I need 4 eggs. So basically a cup of yogurt to add to my mix. And find out what you need the egg for. In my case, I think it's going to add moisture to the cake because I want the cake to be more moist. So again, this is a big experiment to decide if this will taste decent. But hey, I already have my, I think it's coconut milk vanilla ice cream in the freezer. So this might go very nicely. And I also like cupcakes because it helps for people that are just wanting portion control, it helps a lot with that. So the other thing too is I'll check if, since this makes 24 cupcakes, I'll also double check if what it says about freezing those. That's my oven. It's heating up to temperature. The light went off. So let's get cooking and baking.